Hi, I'm Gregory from English for Hospitality. There are many activities that you do in different steps. In English, you use certain words and phrases to indicate the sequence or order of those steps, and these are called time sequencers. They help you communicate when or in what order things happen. Let's look at a recipe for almond turrón that I cooked a few days ago with my family to see how you can use time sequencers. Before you begin cooking, you must first blanch and peel a kilogram of almonds, and then you grind them. In addition, you need to separate the yolks of 40 eggs. To begin cooking, you boil 2 cups of water with a kilo of sugar in a large copper pot. Then you add 100 grams of sucrose and the ground almonds. Next, you beat the egg yolks and add them to the mix. At this point, you need to stir the mix constantly with a wooden paddle so that it doesn't burn. Take turns and continue stirring constantly while the almond and egg mixture reduces. After about 45 minutes, it becomes increasingly solid. At last, when the mixture separates from the copper pot, you pour it into a glass oven dish that you prepared before with waxed paper. Finally, you can scrape the bits of turrón from the pot and claim your reward for all your hard work. Did you hear all the time sequencers? They communicated the order of our steps. Some happen before others, some happen at the same time as others, and some indicated steps that occur in the beginning, the middle, or at the end of the recipe. I hope this lesson helps you with the idea of time sequencers in English. Write your questions or comments in the chat below, or you can reach me on LinkedIn. Bye for now.